Welcome back to all my viewers and subscribers. Yeah man, it's another day on the farm. We're out here today and we're cooking Ital stew today. It's a vegan recipe. However, do remember to hit that subscribe button at the end of the video, and if there's anything else you want me to cook, leave it in the comments and I'll cook it and post it for you. Let's get into it.
What up on the menu today, Biggs?
No, so some rice and peas and stew veg though.
Ital stew.
Ital stew.
Watch out now, no? Right now we're in the bush, you know, so we spread the tablecloth.
Yeah, man.
On the table, you know. See tablecloth there, you know. Some banana leaf we cut with all organic, you know.
Yeah, man.
No side effect.
Nothing for Babylon in here.
Nothing for Babylon in this. A pot of shit there. Good Babylon.
Good. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
You can see the good okra them there.
Yeah, man. Get your table. Spread up the table, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yes, fire. You don't know, another day in the bush. On the bush pot cooking. Right now we're going to make some Ital stew and rice and peas today. And the ingredients that we have today, we have some carrot, we have mushroom, we have okra, we have sweet peppers, we have garlic, we have peanut, pumpkin, thyme, pigeon peas or gongo peas, scallion, we have spinach and with rice. So we are going to make some Ital stew and some rice and peas. And we have 2 coconut where we grater and juice already. See that? 2 coconut. And we can't forget about the pimento. See the pimento, yeah? Some people call it allspice, but pimento. Yeah man, so we just gonna get it chopping now, you know? Put in the slime, I don't know. Yeah, nice without okra. Right, Biggs?
Yeah. May I come?
Yeah, I guess I'll cut out the mushroom them also after we're done. And some sweet pepper.
Not power.
Yeah, I want that. Yeah, prepare them sweet pepper, you know. Sweet pepper have cancer fighting property in it in a Biggs. Yes, man. Ital soup, you know. Ital stew. No meat today. Protein will come from a bean there, huh? So I think set man. Pot have a pretty in a Biggs. One vegetable in our pot. I will season the pot now. And somebody mash up some work though.
Yeah, man.
All
See.
right, yeah, man.
Rasta there now.
Thanks,
Yeah, man. Eat not more vegetables. See me?
Don't watch it the head, you know.
Strong like a lion.
All right, so we season the pot now. Come in, Biggs. Let people see the peas. So the peas are boiled. Some
man.
peas cook already. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add in our seasoning. So we have scallion and thyme. We have garlic. We're using a lot of garlic today. 1 whole clove of garlic. Yeah. 1 whole clove of garlic I use because we love garlic, you know. Especially at corona time, so we have to make sure say, the antibiotic turn up in our body, strengthen the immune system. We're using pimento, other known as allspice. We don't measure, we just put in a pot. And our favorite, you don't know you can't nice without scotch bonnet.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so scotch
Real
bonnet in a
Jamaican
pot.
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah man, real scotch bonnet, organic. Alright. So right now we're putting the coconut milk. We're putting the coconut. Yeah man, 2 coconut with juice today. And we're putting the coconut milk. Yeah man, real coconut. This is no knockoff coconut. So see it there? We're putting some of the coconut milk in this. And we save the rest to cook the Ital stew. Yeah, so right now we are putting the rice in the pot, you know. Come in, Biggs. Come in close and make people and see the custard them that tell them about on top of the rice and peas. Hey boy, Dean, where you not going? Alright, so see the custard them tell about people. Look, this is how I get the rice and peas, rich flavor. Alright, so just wash the rice. We are putting the rice in the pot now. Yeah.
Make sure say you get to the train on it, you understand? Turn around also.
Yeah. Alright, rule of thumb to rice people when you cook it. You want the rice, the water to be 1 inch above the rice.
Well, man, like a
Bigs, where the pot moves so bigs? Mine no bigs. 1 inch above the rice. Normally can measure it to my hand, but I just know how much you put in it. I have the talent there. Okay, so it's been a little bit over half an hour. I'm gonna check back on the rice now to see the progress. So we turn on the fire, how much fire underneath it. Wow, look at that. Rice and peas at its best. Control the fire stick. And the rice not burn up. And we not cook on the stove in our house. Yes, for the ital stew now. So we start off with some coconut oil in the pot. Organic coconut oil. Alright, so we have some organic coconut oil. We're going to put some turmeric in it. Right now we're going to use about 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Now don't want too much, it's just the flavor and color. Yeah, we have 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Alright, so we'll put some garlic and pepper. And some tomatoes. The fire gets too hot, and I'm going to turn on the fire now. Yeah? Because we couldn't turn on wood fire.
Yeah, man.
So just pull out the fire, the wood a little bit from on the fire and turn it down, you know? This kind of make a paste. And then we add in the other ingredients from after. All of this garlic and pepper and turmeric, the aroma is just awesome. Wish you could have smelled that. Wow. Alright, so we'll go for the coconut milk. I'll add this right now. Put some of the coconut milk in it and leave some for later. Put in some of the coconut milk. We'll leave some for later. You smell the aroma of that, boy? Biggs? Aroma is just something else, boy.
Ital is vital.
Ital is vital, you know?
Yeah, man.
Natural. Yeah, so right now we're putting in the base of the thing. You know? These are the carrot, the Irish, and the pumpkin. Now the coconut milk. Let's go and simmer, you know? Yeah, man. See that? Little piece of pumpkin to drop out, but at least, you know? Alright, I'll make this simmer down a little bit. And then we'll put in the seasoning them in it, you know? Peas and them thing there. Oh, and we'll put in the peanut them to rot it. Put in some raw peanut in the pot. See that? Our protein this, you know? Yeah, man, see that? That's our protein. I will not put the meat in there.
Remember that today?
Yeah, man.
Said peanut to make you open.
Yeah, man. Let this simmer down, you know? Ah. Right now I'm going to add in the mushrooms and the beans to the stew. Okay. Alright. Mushrooms going in. Alright, nice. Are we going to give that a stir? Alright, I'm going to mash out nicely. Don't want to mash out too much, so I'll season it up right now. Alright, so we're going to season up the pot now. We have some scallion, thyme, onion, pepper, different kind of pepper we have. Yellow pepper, red pepper. And we have some scotch bonnet I put in at the end. And we'll put some pimento in it. Alright, so we're going to give this a nice little stir again. I don't want to stir too much and mash out everything. So it's like nice to stir again. Get the seasoning them all about tonight. Yeah, pot look nice. Put in the upper them now. Okay, so we're coming on to the end of this now. We're gonna add some okra in it. Add some okra in it. And one bag of spinach. So we have spinach and okra we just added. So we're gonna give this one final stir now, and then we take it off. Don't want these things to overcook.
Cut that.
One final stir. Right to simmer down. Want the okra them to still be crunchy. Basically raw. Let's go make this simmer down for about 5 more minutes, and then it's ready. I tell Stu at its best. Come on. So it go. Artist, how you tell Stu?
Boy, I see there.
Let me see your plate, artist. Artist, slap you away. Biggs,
No explanation.
Reckon.
you're working on it.
Yeah.
Farmer Reefer.
Mushroom with the pan, brother.
You the farmer? Mushroom. Dan.
Work in progress, brother.
Any meat, mister?
Right, man?
Nah, man, nobody do that, man. No meat, no mister.
Yeah, man.
Real man, where you go?
Hey, man.
How you think this? Real food. G go.
Almost done. Right?
Almost done. You want a second?
Postman get man.
Thank you very much for watching. I know you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Please remember, subscribe to my channel. If there's anything else you want me to cook, leave it in the comments below and I'll cook it and I'll post it for you. Give thanks. One love.